Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Darcia, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I got this super easy install. Honestly, this video is like about 5 minutes because this was super quick. This is great for the summertime. So shout out to Alipearl for sponsoring today's video, and if you want to see how I got this super cute curly look, just keep watching.
Oh my god, I almost died. No. I almost died. That was so scary.
Okay, let me stop playing. Like I said, this is from Alipearl. I have Rude. Their hair is so high quality and so easy to manage. In your box, you get a silk scarf that says Alipearl, an edge brush, as well as wig caps and an elastic band, which is great. I don't use any of that because this is a super easy install. As long as you have a good powder to apply on your lace, you're good. Look at how pretty this unit is. I just be playing. This whole video I was just messing around. Look at this lace, guys. The knots are super tiny. They're not noticeable. You do not need to bleach the knots on this wig. As long as you have a great powder, you are good to go. The wig also comes with clips on each side as well as the back and a already sewn in elastic band. So look at the pretty curls. I kept shaking this wig. I had a lot of coffee in my system, okay? So these are some like old braids that my mom did. I had another unit on, so I kept the same wig cap that I had on. I didn't need to waste another one, and there was already powder on it. I did decide to add some powder to the lace of my unit. This is a 5x5 or a 6x6. I'm not too sure. It's in the description box, so everything will be linked for you guys. I do know that this is a 26-inch, so this baby is long and thick. There's a lot of hair in this. This is a great curl pattern for the summertime. I love a pretty curl. So as you guys can see, after applying the powder went through the lace and onto my hair. So I'm going to be using a spritz of water just to get rid of the powder. As you guys can see, now the lace looks brand new. Guys, I love this unit. It's such a pretty curl. It looks so natural. Lately, I've been seeing on TikTok people like cutting and like putting mousse and stuff, and it just looks like a scalp. Now using some scissors, after wrapping whatever song I was wrapping, I decided to cut the lace using a jagged motion. This motion is going to ensure that your lace doesn't just look like a wig, like just straight across your forehead. No, you have to go in a zigzag motion just so it could look a bit more natural with your hairline. Going into the Ebin spray, you guys, this is borderline a glueless install. All you do is spritz a bit of Ebin spray onto your finger and you just press it into the lace and it just melts. And honestly, if you're not out here doing back flips, front flips, splits, you're good. You do not need to lay this wig down like with cement. I can spend the whole day with my wig installed like this, just using my fan. You can use a blow dryer if you want, but this is really quick, guys. This is like an in and out the house situation. Going to work, especially if you're in an area that has AC, you don't need to install this unit with concrete or Gorilla Glue. Like, you're good. Going into my wax stick, I often get questions about my wax stick. This is just a generic Amazon wax stick. I've had it for years. It's super long lasting, and my hot comb as well is from Amazon, so I will link everything down below for you guys. But I only use my hot comb honestly for the top portion. I don't want to get rid of this beautiful curl pattern. I want it to stay as intact as possible, so I'm just hot combing the top portion just so it could be a bit flatter against my head. I didn't want too much volume at the top, but I do love some good volume in the hair.
Like John Jack, I'm camo and these thoughts can't lock me nowadays. You wish I would no pound cake. Boy, you know.
Now I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of oil. Just squeeze out a couple drops into your hand. This is how I get the wet look to last a bit longer. Just a bit of oil into the palm of your hand and spread it out throughout the whole unit. Then you're gonna go into your water bottle, your spray bottle, and you're just gonna wet your hair. You can also add oil into your spray bottle, but I use the spray bottle for everything, for my cat, for my hair, for plants. Like, I use a spray bottle for everything, so I just keep water in it. But you can also have a separate spray bottle with oil in it. Just put less oil than water. That's the measurements that I do usually. and you just spray it like around your hair, and the oil is gonna keep it looking wet if you like the wet look. If you don't, I would suggest not to add the oil, but I like the wet look. I think it's very sexy and sultry. So I'm just ironing, flattening out the top portion of my head. I just want this to look as natural as possible. You guys, this is giving scalp, okay? And this took me, this was a 15-minute install, okay? And look at the ends of this unit. This unit, they did not cheap out with the amount of hair in this unit. It's so thick, so healthy. I feel Puerto Rican in this hair. Like, this looks great. I love this so much. The density is amazing. The curl pattern is beautiful. It just looks so natural, and the hairline is already plucked. Guys, get this unit, okay? Honestly, it's my favorite curly unit. It's my favorite curly unit so far, and I'm very, very impressed. So shout out to Alipearl for sending me this unit and sponsoring today's video. This is definitely a must-have for the spring and summer. I felt so pretty in this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.
If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games.